learn something, you will get an opportunity to move towards success side. Are you getting? Education means what? Not only to learn everything from the book. Are you getting? Education means you have to learn everything regarding how to behave, your manners, your behavior, your everything. Everything count towards learning process, which which is under the roof of education. The real education is not a problem. The real education always build the opportunity to move forward towards success. Is that clear, boys?
Yes.
Okay. Now, who will tell me up till what we have completed in the class? We started chapter number 4, if you do remember. And I have cleared all the topics except the last topic. See, I am pre revising for you all. Are you getting my screen to your screen, boys?
Yes.
Okay. Check here. You must be aware that we are in simple equation. Introduction part, we studied what is education, equation, right? What is expression? Equation means what? Jama is equal to ni sign hoy and variable hoy. Variable means any alphabets. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side we studied. We studied what do you mean by variable? Variable means an unknown number, an alphabet which is used in the place of unknown number are said to be variable, right? Then I explain you about forming an equation. ગઈકાલે જ હજી ભણ્યા આપણે લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં. Sum x plus 6 is equal to 10. Difference માં y minus 2 is equal to 8. યાદ આવ્યું? Boys. And we studied product times. Now putting the values, આપણે values put કરતા શીખતા x ની value 2 હોય તો 2 મૂકવાનો x ની જગ્યાએ. I hope you do remember. Then I explain you heat and trial method. Heat and trial. Variable ની સાથે 1 થી start કરવાનું 1 2 3 4 5 જ્યાં સુધી આપણી equation successfully solution ઉપર ન આવે, up till that time we have to try and try until we hit the equation. Yes or no? Boys?
Yes.
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 Okay. Then we studied solving the equation. Solving the equation, I explain you there are two methods. One is heat and trial method, and the second one was direct solving method. Which method? In direct solving method, there are two types. One is using values on both the side. That is what we studied. And one topic we studied, transposing. Can you see here transposing written? Transposing એટલે શું? For example, x plus 6 is equal to 10. Okay. So transposing means plus 6 we have to shift towards right hand side, is equal to ની ઓલી side લઈ જવાનું છે, right? So x is equal to 10. This plus 6 will be shifted towards right side, so it will convert to minus 6. So x ની value શું મળી આપણે? X is equal to 10 minus 6, 4. Any doubt here, boys?
No.
What about other children?
No doubt, sir.
The last topic we left to be explained is construct an equation. It is very simple and easy process. Only 2 minutes topic. After that, we are going to start with exercise 4.1. In that, you will be clear with all the pictures. Now, what do you mean by construct an equation? Construct an equation means if I say x is equal to 2 is given. Okay. If I say, wait a moment, boys. if I say x is equal to 2, so x ની વેલ્યુ 2 આપેલી છે. We have to prepare an equation for this. Prepare an equation for this. આપણે શું આપતા હતા? Equation આપતા હતા. We were supposed to solve the equation by finding the value of x. For example, હમણાં આપણે solve કર્યો x plus 6 is equal to 10. Are you getting? Yes or no? We were finding the value of x. સમજાય છે? સમજાય કે નથી સમજાતું? Boys,
સમજે.
આની પહેલા શું કર્યું? We were finding the value of x. So what we did, x is equal to 10. This plus 6 shifted towards left hand side, so it converted to minus 6. Okay, then what happened? Then what we have to do here, that means we have to say that 10 minus 6 is x is equal to 4. Is that clear, boys? So x ni value શું મળી? 4. Now what is this topic? Construct an equation. X ni value already 4 આપેલી છે. We have to construct an equation like this. સમજ પડી કે નહીં? સમજ પડે છે, boys?
હા સર.
Okay. So now in the same case, we have to do with the same process. X is equal to 2 આપેલું છે. We have to form an equation on x is equal to 2. So what is the process to form an equation x is equal to 2? So now the formation is multiplying. Can I multiply both the side by 10? First, you can take any number, multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am taking I'm sorry. Wait a moment. Multiply both the sides by 10. Let us multiply to get the equation. X is equal to 2 છે તો x માં 10 multiply કરો. X is there and 2 is there. See, sir ઘરેથી કાંઈ મૂકતા નથી. X and 2 is given. Are you getting? X ની સાથે શું multiply કરવાનું છે? 10. Okay? 10 into x. So 10 into 2. Any doubt here? So this will form 10x is equal to 20. Have we formed the equation here? 10x is equal to 20. હવે x ની પ્લેસમાં 2 મૂકો તો can I say that both are equal, right hand side and left hand side? Boys, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Now with the same topic, x ની value 2 છે. Again, we have to improve the equation one more part. If I want to form an equation, the new one, I have multiplied 10 with both the sides. What I will do now, I want to add 7 on both the sides. So what I'll do, adding 7 on both the sides. So again, 10x plus 7 is equal to 20 plus 7. So 10x plus 7 will be as it is equal to 27. Any doubt here? So can I say this is an equation which is formed? If you use x, value of x as 2, 10x means 10 into 2, 20 plus 7, 27. 27 is equal to 27. Are you getting?
Yes. Yes.
સમજાય છે? સમજાય છે? 20 is equal to 20. You can use any number. એવું કાંઈ નથી કે સર 10 અહીંયા લીધું, સર 7 અહીંયા લીધું, તો આ જ લેવાનું. No. You can use any number to form an equation in any form. Don't worry at all. Only the value of x should be 2. કે રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ એન્ડ લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ જ્યારે તમે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ થાય 2 મૂકીને x ની જગ્યાએ, at that time it should be equal. સમજ પડી ગઈ કે નહીં?
હા.
Okay. Chalo, let us come back to exercise 4.1. So this was all topic covered your chapter number 4. It is very simple and easy process and chapter just to understand how to work. That means you will not lose your marks. Exercise 4.1, first question. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So value of x is 3. Can you see here? Value of x is 3. Value of x is what? 3.
3.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So we have to simply check like this. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Value of x is 3. What we have to do, complete the last column of the table. Say whether the equation is satisfied. Yes or no. Khali yes or no lakhwathi kai na thai. We have to solve and we have to check that. Are you getting? So in the place of x, the first step is this. Let us write question. હવે x ની વેલ્યુ શું કીધી છે?
Equal to x ની value 3.
3. Okay. So we have to use, in the place of x, we have to use 3
Equal to
plus 3 is equal to 0. Now 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 6 is equal to 0. Is it equal?
no.
Not equal. Left hand side and right hand side is not equal. This symbol is what? This symbol is said to be not equal.
Not.
સમજાણું કે નહીં, boys?
Yes.
So we have to write here, therefore, the value of x as 3 is not satisfying the given equation. Any doubt here, boys?
No doubt. No.
સમજ પડી કે નહીં શું કરવાનું છે?
Yes.
This is the first part what we have done. This is the first part. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. 6 is not equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x as 3 is not satisfying the given equation. Same way, check for the second one. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X ની value શું આપેલી છે? X ની
0.
value શું આપી? 0. So check here. X is equal to, they are given 0. So in the place of 3, we will not be able to put here. Here it will be, in the place of x, we have to put 0. Now 0 plus 3 is what? 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 is equal to 0. 0. Boys? Hello?
Not equal.
Not equal. See, આમાં ને આમાં મેં બીજો sum કરી નાખ્યો. Check here. The same method you have to do for all. x plus 3 is equal to 0. X value is given 0. So in the place of x, I use 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 is equal to 0, not equal to 0, right? Yes or no, boys? Therefore, the value of x as 0 is not satisfying the given equation. Any doubt here, boys?
No.
Pakku?
Yes.
For sure?
Yes.
sir.
Now third one. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, the same equation. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, next is x is equal to minus 3. The value of x is given minus 3. Is that clear? So in the place of x, what we have to use? In the place of x, what we have to use?
3
M. A 3 chair?
minus 3.
Minus 3, yes. So in the place of x, we will use minus 3 plus 3 as it is equal to as it is 0 as it is. Any doubt here? Now plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled, so it will form 0, which is equal to 0. Are they equal?
Yes.
Therefore, yes, comma, the value of x as minus 3 is satisfying the given equation. Any doubt, boys? Is that clear how you have to do all the sums?
Yes.
ચલો એમાંથી ટફ લાગતો સમ કયો જલ્દી ફટાફટ ચલો હું બતાવું છું ડિસ્પ્લેમાં ચલો 1 2 3 તો કરાવી નાખ્યા મેં ચેક ફ્રોમ 4 to 9 4 5 તો સેમ જ છે 4 5 ફોરગેટ અબાઉટ 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 માં જોઈ લ્યો 6 7 8 9 10 11 if you find any topic difficult one I will solve that sum.
Sir,
બોલો
9, 10 and 11.
9 10 and 11 means a division form.
Yes.
Division માં છે એટલે તમને તકલીફ છે એક જ સમ બતાવી તમને બધા સમ આવી જશે m divide by 3 m divide by 3 which gives us 2 and value of m is what? Value of m is given minus 6. Okay. बराबर ना कि नहीं? Say yes or no.
Yes.
So value of m we have to place as minus 6. So what is our process? Minus 6 upon
Upon 3.
3. Very good. So minus 3 upon minus 6 upon 3 is equal to
2.
2. Okay? Here is equal to mukta bhuli gyo. So left hand side and right hand side થઈ ગયું 3 ones
Yeah.
are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now you got here as minus 6 હતું તો minus 2 રહેશે is equal to 2. Are they both equal?
Not equal.
Not equal. Why? Because one side, both the side 2 is there, but one side is negative. Are you getting? So what will be the conclusion? In fair book, you have to write as no. The the value of x, sorry, m છે. Value of m as -6 is not satisfying the given equation. Any doubt here, boys? Any doubt here? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes.
doubt?
No, sir.
Now same way m ની જગ્યા 0 મૂકીને જુઓ. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 0 is equal to 2. It is not equal to 2. Again, you have to just conclude with this only. Then 6 ને m ની જગ્યા મૂકો. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 is equal to 2. That means
Yes.
this is satisfied. Understood? Chalo, question number 1 is over. Question number 2. Check here. Who will read this question fast?
Joy Abbas. Check
Jaldi.
whether the value given in the bracket in a solution to given equation or not.
That means the sum is given here. Check. We have to check whether the given bracket is the solution. That means આ કોઈ equation છે n plus 5 is equal to 19. બરાબર? n plus 5 is equal to 19 is one equation. This one. And this part is the value given for variable, that is n. n ની value આપેલી છે. આપણે જે sum question 1 માં કર્યા ને, same method, same process. We have to simply place the value of n in the place of n. Okay?
1 plus
We have
5
to
is equal
check
to 90.
which through what we have to check whether it is the solution for the given equation or not. Okay? Now what we have to do here, in the place of n we will place 1 plus as it is, 5 as it is equal to 19 as it is. Any doubt?
No.
Now 1 plus 5 is what? 6.
6 is
Left
equal
hand
to
side માં 6
90.
આવ્યું, right hand side માં 19 છે. Are they equal?
Not equal.
Not equal. That means therefore the given, sorry, the value of n as 1 is not the solution to the given equation. Any doubt here? They want to check whether is it the solution of the given equation or not. So therefore, no, the value of n as 1 is not the solution for the given equation. Is that clear? Same method, same process. હવે આમાં તમને doubt હોય તો એક પણ સમમાં કયો. Up to f. Up to f, you can ask me, I will solve that sum right here.
No doubt.
For sure?
Yes, sir.
બધામાં
Yes.
થઈ જશે. This 4p in the place of p, if you place 1, 4 ones are 4 minus 3, 1 is equal to 13. Are you getting my point? સમજાય છે? આ સમજાય જ ને? This one. C. Sum number C કરાવી દો. Sum number C. You will be able to get that. Satisfied થાય જ ને એટલે કહું છું. Can you see? n 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Value of n you have to place Value of n we have to place 2. So 7 in the place of n you have to place 2 here. Okay. Plus Zaki Vakil, put off your mic and talk. Is equal to 90. Is that clear what I did? In the
Yes,
place
sir.
of n, we use 2. So 7 2s are 14 plus 5 as it is. Sorry. Is equal to 19. So 14 plus 5 is what? 19 is equal to 19. Is that clear? Therefore, yes. What you have to write? Yes. The given equation, the value of n as 2 is the solution for the given equation. Any doubt with question number 2, boys? Boys?
No.
Okay. Chalo. Question number 3. Same thing. Chalo. Who will read this question? Zohar Abbas?
Yes, sir. All the following equation by trial.
Trial and error method. આપણે હિટ એન્ડ ટ્રાયલ મેથડ ભણ્યા યાદ છે?
Yes.
The first sum I did for as an example, if you do remember, board ઉપર મેં કર્યો તો 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. We have to try until we get the value of p. So p as 1 પેલા try કરીએ. Okay. So what is p as 1? So in the place of p we will place 1 here plus 2 is equal to 17. Again, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 is equal to 17. 7 is equal to 17, boys. Seven and 17 equal thase, boys.
No.
Therefore, no. Therefore, we have to write here no, comma, the value of p as 1 is not a solution. Chalo. And again we have to try here 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. So now what we will try? Value of p as to try karsu, boys. Value of p as 1 try કરી લીધી તો હવે કયો નંબર ટ્રાય કરશું? 2. Yes, very good. In the place of p we will place 2 here. Five 2s are 10 plus 2 is equal to 17. So you will get 12 is equal to 17. Are they both equal now? Left hand side and right hand side? Is it equal? Boys?
Not
12
equal.
and- So nonsense bolo na jaldi. So therefore, no. The value of p as 2 Therefore, here also therefore, value of P as 2 is not the solution. Now what we have to take? What we have to take? Which value we have to take? 5P plus 2 is equal to 17. હવે P ને એટલે કઈ વેલ્યુ લેશું બોયઝ? Boys, 1 and 2 we have taken. Now which value we have to take? Nonsense, boys. All of you.
3.
તો સરે લખ્યા પછી લગન થઈ ગયા પછી જમણવાર ન હોય બેટા. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 is equal to 17. Both are equal.
Yes.
So therefore, last માં લખવાનું yes. The value of P as 3 is the solution. Is the solution for the equation. Understood, boys? So this is said to be try and hit method. We tried and we hit the solution. Any doubt? Sum number 1 is over. Any doubt here?
No.
Sum number 2 you have to do by your own. We have finished exercise 4.1 up till question number 3. Chalo. Your homework is to finish all the sums one time in your rough book, and all the sums has to be done in your fair book.
Okay.